Hi there, this is Aaron Wiltshire from ETOA. I just want to take a quick tour of the Eventsair platform ahead of today's ETM North America. You may or may not have used this platform before, but I thought I'd just take a few moments to introduce you to the things you need to do before the meetings start. So below this video, you'll see a number of fields just to reconfirm and complete. This will help boost your profile during the workshop today. So we obviously have some of your information already. This just decides what you choose to share now that you're live on the portal itself. So once you've done that, click through. You can also toggle some of your settings. This platform does not support a virtual background. You can apply that locally on your end, but if you're looking for that, then it's not an available function at this point. So then we will go on to the main platform itself. Your meetings will be listed on the agenda. I don't have any, so you won't see any here. Also, the sessions of the welcome message and the various breaks, you'll click those to join them at the given time. Otherwise, each meeting you'll click, there'll be a countdown here at the top right-hand corner until your next meeting. Otherwise, just click your meeting to join it and then just wait for your interlocutor to arrive and then your meeting will commence. So during those meeting sessions, just make sure to be as quick and concise as possible. The whole point of this session today is the quick introductions with new faces, and then it's all about the follow-up thereafter. So you'll have already received the contact details of everybody on the platform, but you'll also be able to make a digital connection via the platform today. So your meetings and sessions are on the agenda. If you then want to make additional meetings, all of the other people on the platform are listed here. You can click and collect. You can apply if you're looking for someone specific or a company or person, click them and then you can add to meet them and then you can arrange additional meetings. So indeed, this platform is not only open for the event today, but also for a month after the event. So you can use that to catch up with any meetings that weren't matched or indeed continue the conversation with people that you want to speak to for a bit longer. At the top of the platform, you'll see a rotating banner of our sponsors, who we thank. Also, there'll be some interesting resources about the North America market and the interaction with European tourism product on there. So do click that if you have a moment during the afternoon. As well as those reports, in the resources gallery here, we'll have a number of on-demand sessions that will provide some insight into the market. So that's resources done. Again, if you have any technical issues during the day, we really do urge you just to use the live support up in the right-hand corner. Rather than sending us emails, please just put everything, any questions you have in the live support, and that helps us deal with it more quickly and seamlessly for you to stop you interrupting the day too much. So go to live support. Otherwise, we're wishing you a productive workshop. Thank you.